Hi guys, happy Saturday. We are mixing up something very special for you today. It's a little more involved than the rest of our drinks that we've been doing, but this is one of my new personal favorites. Kevin made it last week for me, and it was one of the best drinks that I've had in a really long time. So we are mixing up a smoked strawberry
Mezcal
margarita. All right, take it away.
So, before you're going to make the drink, to prepare all the ingredients, you will need fresh squeezed lime juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and smoked strawberry juice. To smoke the strawberry juice, you're going to cut up the strawberries. You can smoke them with either, if you have a little like smoking gun, you can get them on like Amazon for like 20 bucks. Or you can just put it on like the stove or grill just to get a little like char on it. After that, you're gonna put it in like a blender, blend it up, and then put it through a mesh to get all the seeds out. After that, you're gonna just make it into the juice. So first off, we're going to prepare our glasses, rub a little lime juice on them. And then for the salt, I did a salt and sugar mixture. But you can do any salt. You can do a chili lime or anything.
We also just got a lava rock salt that's black. That looks really cool too.
All right. Now, well, fill it with ice. Always use a crushed ice or a small ice cube. Makes it a lot better. All right. Put a couple garnishes in there.
So what they did was they put together a bag of cut up strawberries and put the smoker into the plastic bag and smoked it for how long?
We let it like sit for a couple minutes. You don't need it for too long.
So like the strawberries soak up all that smoky flavor.
All right. Now, fill a mixer with ice. We're gonna use 1.5 or 1 ounce of mezcal.
And the mezcal tequila really has that like smoky flavor to it.
1.5 of any tequila. You can do a silver or a reposado, it doesn't really matter.
If you guys know me, you know that I love tequila. We've done a ton of pulls, and that's definitely my favorite.
An ounce of Cointreau.
Some people use Grand Marnier too, right?
Yeah, any orange liqueur is fine. And then 2 ounces of lemon juice. Just under, but it's okay. If you can fresh squeeze your lime juice, it's like 10 times better than bought at the store. And 2 ounces of your strawberry juice.
The strawberry juice looks so good.
Now,
and you can save this in the fridge for a little bit too, right? For a couple days.
A day or two. Shake it up. All right. Now we will garnish it. And then if you want, you don't have to, you can do an extra smoke at the end. And I'm just doing it because Isabel wants to do smoke.
I just wanted it for the effect so you guys could see it. It's all about the effects, right?
And you can get these on like Amazon for really cheap.
Open it more in the
There's a
shot.
kink.
Oh, there's a kink.
Got a kink. Just gonna let it sit for a little bit.
I love the way it smells too. It's like a campfire.
And that's it. All done.
Woo!
That one's yours.
Oh my god, this is my favorite. Yay! Cheers!
All right.
Cheers to the weekend, even though like every day's a weekend now. Who knows what day it is, right? This is awesome. Oh my god, this is so good. Thank you.
No problem.
Best part is I got this drink. This is so awesome. If you guys end up making the drinks, let us know. I've had a few of you reach out and let me know that you made the drink and if it was good, if you liked it. It always, it always makes it more exciting too if I know like you guys are making it. And you're kind of pushing us to like make more fun drinks. So this has been really fun. Awesome. Thank you.